Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the console so commands actually work. Open Steam properties for Ultrakill and add console to launch options. This injects the developer console at startup. Once done, make sure to save and relaunch the game because the console won't exist otherwise. If you prefer config edits, open the game's config file and set Enable Console to 1. This persists across updates. You need this step first, because without the console, you cannot input or test the commands you'll use next. Once the console is available, press the tilde key or your bound key to open it and type commands directly. Press Enter to execute. Start with Help or Bind List to view available commands and any active key bindings, because knowing names avoids typos. Try simple commands like God to toggle invulnerability, Noclip to pass through geometry, Give followed by the item name to spawn weapons, or set timescale 0. 5 to slow motion. These basics teach you the input rhythm and immediate effects. Finish by using chaining and scripting. Combine commands with and or write small CFG files to run setups automatically because repetition wastes time. Make frequent saves and toggle SV cheats when experimenting. Remember to back up your save files, as some commands can corrupt progress. If commands fail, first check spelling and proper argument order, then disable mods or verify game files in Steam to restore defaults. When you've tested fixes, reload your backup save and continue. This preserves progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.